Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable workout mode on Ultrahuman ring. Okay, so what we need to do is open Ultrahuman app. Now you will scroll down all the way almost to the bottom where you see timeline. And here you have bunch of options. So we can add an activity, as you can see. And here we can find it what we have done. So let's say today we did tennis, and click on tennis and select start time and end time. So let's say 6 p.m. Okay, not 6 p.m. and we finished at 8 p.m. Today we are okay, save like that, and we have it right over here. Now we can also, as you can see here, if we scroll, add workout. So here it just says that it will increase data collection and tracking, and you will consume more battery. Okay, continue, and here you also can select whatever you prefer or whatever you have been doing. And let's find out tennis. Okay, and now we can start basically an workout. So it's, I think, guided workout also right here. It will connect to your ring, and it will diagnose basically your body movement between time that you are doing some sport. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.